Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everybody around this beautiful planet. How are you doing, everybody? Hope you have an amazing day. It's Bobby here and welcome back to my daily vlog. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called Granina. Without further ado, let's go. So this hotel is 4-star hotel located at Pantai Kuta Street. It's a very strategic point. It's on the beach, Kuta Beach, and this is about 15 minutes drive from Bali International Airport. Well, we are getting close now. That is the sign over there across the street. So we'll take you to the lobby area, swimming pool, and we'll give you a room tour as well. That is the entrance gate to the beach, and this is the staircase up to the lobby area. Well, actually I can see their fish here. School of fish. Looks so pretty. And have a look at these water fountains. Very beautiful sculpture along the stair. I like exploring these stairs. It's so shady, nice breeze. I like the plants to my left, to my right, so green. And finally made it to the lobby area. This is the lobby area. And the front desk is to my left over there. Let's cruise around a little bit before I show you the room. This is amazing. Made of wood. It's called Garuda. And sitting area. Nice couch. Let's see the view from here. This is the view you're gonna get from this side of lobby area, Kuta Beach. So that is Kuta Beach, where you can find there are a lot of beach bar around there. And this is one of the swimming pool of this hotel. And the breakfast area is over there. I'm gonna take you a close look to the restaurant. This is the sitting area. Very nice views from the restaurant. So this hotel, it has 3 swimming pools. And this is one of them. And I want to say welcome to the restaurant, everyone. The restaurant is pretty big. There are a lot of chairs and tables there. And it seems very nice. and cozy. And it is time to share the room. Let's go. The room I want to show you is called the Lake Full View. Now this is the door. Let me open the door. Ta-da! The door is open. And this is what you can see from the front door. Then to my left over here is the bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. You'll find single sink, and then a large mirror on the wall. And this must be one of the hotel amenities: 2 glasses, toothpaste, some lotions, which I don't really know what kind of lotion. This is toilet paper, trash can, toilet paper again, hose, and this is the toilet. Then the next to the toilet is the bathtub, and floating rack for your towel, shower here, rain shower. Behind the sink, you have some storages. Let's check it out. You can find there some towel here, empty storages. I'm gonna walk out of the bathroom. And this one, there are some storages for your suitcase. You can find there a pair of slippers here and some storages as well. And there are more storages in here. Safety box. And this must be the closet. Torch, clothing hanger, more storage over there, and again large mirror, and hey, that's me. And then to my right over here we have kettle, 2 cups, trash can over there in the corner, 2 glasses, 2 bottles of mineral water, nice painting here with frame, it's on the wall, and flat screen TV on the TV shelf, long desk. Check out the desk, and let's take a look what's in here. Let me open it up. Well, there is a mini bar here or a small fridge. Let me open the fridge. This is it. It's still empty now, I believe. And then right here, 1 chair, telephone, tissue, again mirror here, very tall skinny mirror, beautiful lamp, and this is the window where you can see the swimming pool views from your room. Let's check out the swimming pool. Oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. It's so picture square, green. You can see there are so many coconut trees, palm trees, beautiful flower, and in this corner here there is a couch with some cushions, and then a nightstand over there with beautiful light, and this is the ceiling. Let me show you the bathroom here. So this is kind of like a king size bath. Look huge. so pretty. The bed sheet is so white, so clean, smells so good. And let me show you again from different angle. I'm gonna walk down here, and then this is it from this angle. Well, everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. And if you did, please give me the thumbs up. Have a great day, everybody, and don't forget to keep smiling.